Finally, spring is here, and now is the time to start your own vegetable garden. I'm going to show you how easy it is to do and on the cheap with just one trip to the store. That's this month's Home Center secret.
Good day.
As always, we kick off with a trip to the nearest GooDay Home Center, your one-stop shop for crafting a straightforward and manageable vegetable garden. Whether your green space is a cozy balcony or a sprawling backyard, GooDay has it all. They offer an extensive range of gardening essentials, ensuring you'll find exactly what you need for your project. From vibrant flowers and hardy vegetable seedlings to a comprehensive selection of seeds, versatile planters, nutrient-rich soils, and the finest fertilizers. It's all there, ready to make your gardening journey stress-free. In this section, you'll find tons of vegetable seedlings, and the variety grows week by week as the growing season progresses. But if you're inclined to start from scratch, seeds are your best friends, and GooDay's selection is vast. Today, I'm picking up just basil seeds. To make growing as easy and foolproof as possible, I've chosen to use some cleverly designed planters. Next, soil. And again, the idea is to keep it simple. Hyponex plant soil is all I'll need. Then, to support the veggies, we'll need some stakes. Are you ready to start? Good. Drought, or lack of watering, is a common failure point when growing vegetables. These planters feature water reservoirs. A tray keeps the soil separated from the water, while slits on the sides ensure drainage and prevent root rot. Once the plant's roots grow long enough to reach the water below, they can self-hydrate, ideal for when you're away for a few days, and especially during Kyushu's hot summers. Easily fill the reservoir using a watering pot or hose. And for extended watering, there's a port to insert a pet bottle. Tomatoes and eggplants require support. Thankfully, this planter includes arms and a frame for vegetable stakes. You can use existing stakes or purchase the required 8mm and 11mm sizes. Assembling it is a breeze. It's literally a snap. Nothing could be easier. Next, I'll fill the planters with Hyponex plant soil, crafted from a mix of carefully selected ingredients, boasting an optimal pH that promotes healthy plant growth. The soil ensures adequate drainage and aeration, and it's enriched with bark compost to enhance soil vitality, offering just the right balance of water retention and fertility. Tomatoes. Tomatoes crave plenty of water and nutrients, so I'm planting just 2 seedlings. In the gaps, I'll sow large sweet basil seeds. Tomatoes and basil thrive together. They don't vie for nutrients, and basil even helps repel pests. Plant a few seeds just below the soil surface and ensure they're kept moist. Eggplant. I'll plant 3 seedlings in this planter. Green peppers. For the green peppers, I've chosen this smaller planter. It's perfectly sized to accommodate their growth while ensuring they get the attention they need. So there you go. That was easy. From here on, it's a matter of watering, making sure they get enough sunlight, and pulling out the odd weed or two. And later this summer, I'm gonna have eggplant, I'm gonna have tomatoes, I'm gonna have green pepper and basil. Everything I need for some oishi Italian pizza. Remember, Nick de mo de kiru, anata mo dekiru. So stay tuned for the next episode of Home Center Secrets.